We are going to be covering jQuery this week. Make sure you read through the chapter first, and then you are going to go through the key concepts. These key concepts are a lot more specific than the explanation that is in the book. There's also a lot more examples.
There are also videos for each section. And so if you read through a section and you're a little fuzzy on what it does, come up here and select the link to watch the video. The videos go through the concepts and they also go through the code. And understanding the code is really important because it's kind of hard to program in jQuery if you don't understand what it does. And it's a little bit more abstract than JavaScript. It is a JavaScript library. And instead of using maybe 4 or 5 commands to accomplish a task, it allows you to just do a couple of commands. So it's very powerful, and it is important that you understand what it does. So please watch the videos, do the interactive examples. All of those are designed to increase your understanding. Once you're done with that, you're going to do the programming assignment. And the first task is converting the Windchill exercise from JavaScript into jQuery. And again, this is so you can understand the difference between JavaScript and jQuery. And a lot of people have had trouble with this. So I do have a similar example. It's the BMI calculator that I walk through changing. The video shows you how I walk through it. And then this document basically is the text version that tells you how I made the changes. And what you have to do to Windchill is pretty much the same thing. This is probably going to be your most difficult exercise. After you complete that one, then you are going to come down here and create a little drag and drop interface. There's a document you're going to download and it's got some letters, and then you're going to make them draggable, and that allows you to create words. And so here is a little video that kind of walks you through what you need to do. Once you complete that, you're going to do your own little creation. And so my example looks like this. And this exercise can be used as one of your final project games. A lot of students use graphics and create puzzles and have that as one of their final project games. Totally up to you what you decide to do for Draggable, but just know that it can be one of your games. The fourth and final exercise is to create a list app. And I have the example from the book. Okay, so this is the one from the book. And then I have one that I kind of modified. So this is similar to the one from the book, but you can see it's my bucket list. And then I found kind of a cool list or created this list. And you can also choose to do this one. And the reason I like this is because it allows you to do some sorting. Okay, so once you add these, you can actually drag these around. You can see it's got a total here, and then if you click, it removes things and it adjusts the total. So if you right click, you can view the page source, you can get into the jQuery and take a look at that code. I explained the code in the bucket list and the textbook authors example, and I also explained the code in that last bucket list. So make sure you watch those videos because that will help you understand what the code is doing. Okay, and that is the assignment.